Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Division Resurgence app error, that is a network failure. Please check your network status and try again or exit the game. Or if you are getting this error, comparing build version error code 154140719 fetching version number over time, please check the network environment or restart the client. So if you are getting these two error on your Android devices or iOS devices, then here you can follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to the very first method is to tap on retry button again and again. Just tap on retry button whether you are getting this error or whether you are getting this error. Just tap on retry one time, two time or many times, and eventually this error will get resolved. If the spam pressing the retry button does not fix the issue, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to switch network connections. Whether you're playing the game on iOS devices or Android devices, just switch the network connection. It is working for many users. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data. And then you can go ahead and check if a problem is solved or not. And if you're connected to mobile data, then you can switch to Wi-Fi and then you can check if a problem is solved or not. Now you can also try this trick, turn off Wi-Fi and then close the Division Resurgence app completely, then switch mobile data, launch the app again and then check. Now if possible, then you can also connect to a different mobile data network via hotspot and then check. Next fix is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store or App Store. If you're playing the game on iOS devices, then you can open the App Store. I am on the Android device. So open Play Store, tap on search for a VPN and search for it. And then you can install any VPN of your choice from your Play Store, such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Ninja VPN, Brave VPN, Octohide VPN, Express VPN. You can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and connect to a different location than your current location. You can connect to locations such as France, Dutch, Germany, Belgium, etc. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if that doesn't work, then you have to close the Division Resurgence app and then connect to VPN and then relaunch the game again and check. And once the problem is solved, then you can disconnect the VPN app. Now fix 3 is to turn on off airplane mode or flight mode. So just turn on the airplane mode or flight mode on your device. Just wait for a few seconds and then turn off the airplane mode or flight mode. Connect to mobile data. I would recommend you to connect to mobile data first. So connect to mobile data and then you can check if a problem is solved or not. Next fix is to clear the cache of the Division Resurgence app. So tap and hold the Division Resurgence app and then click on app info. Now first tap on force stop and confirm it. Then go to the storage usage and then click on clear cache. Now go back, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then also tap on clear data, but please take a note, clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, then tap on delete to confirm it and then you can go back, launch the game and then check if a problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to simply restart your device. If none of these solutions work for you, then simply restart your device, and after your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Division Resurgence app and check. You can also uninstall and then reinstall the Division Resurgence app and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve network failure. Please check your network status and try again or exit the game. Or comparing build version error code 154140719 fetching version number over time, please check the network environment or restart the client. Error in the Division Resurgence game on your Android devices or iOS devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.